In this video, I will show you how I use Chat GPT to create lesson plans for AP Calculus BC. So I'm using Chat GPT Plus, which costs about $20 per month. The plugins I'm using here are AI PDF, the Link Reader, and Wolfram Math. Here is the prompt that I give Chat GPT. So here we just give Chat GPT the link to where it can find the curriculum for AP Calculus. So next we're going to grab the HTML template that we're using for eClass. Select all of that code and just copy it. So we're just going to paste that straight in. Chat GPT realizes that there's more things to come. So next I'm going to give it the topics for the week's lessons. And now I tell it to create a lesson plan for Monday's lesson. And so Chat GPT knows what to do. It reads from the curriculum for AP Calculus. It sees what the topic is for Monday. It knows that it needs to create a lesson plan as well as an example problem for students to try. It inserts all of this into the HTML code for me. And then at the end, you're going to see that it shows me the solution to the example problem that it created. So all I need to do is hit copy the code and then go back over to eClass, and I can paste that in and then just save and close. And here is the lesson plan that Chat GPT created, formatted into the HTML code. You can see that all the elements within the page works, like the accordions. Those work like they should. And then under independent practice, where I asked it to create an example problem for the students, there's the problem that it created. So now we're ready to move on to Tuesday. So I just ask it, okay, now do Tuesday, and it starts generating the HTML code for that. Here at the bottom, once again, we have the solution to a new problem that we gave it. It knows that Tuesday is day 2 of these optimization problems and that we're going to be doing harder problems on this day. So the example problem that it created here, that we'll see in just a moment, it is quite a bit more difficult than the example problem that it created on day 1. So I've just repeated the steps for Thursday's lesson, and then once again for Friday's lesson, which is just a review of Unit 5. I would recommend reading closely to whatever ChatGPT is writing for you. It is prone to make some mistakes. And at the end of the day, it's not an experienced teacher. It's not going to be able to create these lesson plans as good as you do. So you should just see this as a starting point for the lesson plans, and you can add to them as needed.